Okay, so I just want to walk you guys through how to use Canva to create a resume. I think it's a really useful site. You go over here to create a design, click on that, and you can see resume is one of the options. I'm going to click on that as well. Okay, so now you can see what has come up is some different templates. Don't worry about the US letter templates thing. Canada uses the same type of letter system, so that's fine. I'm going to hit resume, and you can see some things come up. Now, if you see this little king sign, it means that it's a paid option. It's not a free option. So obviously then you wouldn't want that. But I'm just going to kind of grab a few things just to kind of show you. So it says apply both pages. Yeah. So here's a very simple kind of chronological resume. Oh, here they've included kind of the cover letter. So this is one way to do your education. Here's the experience, the date's kind of right there. It's always that reverse chronological order, right? You put the newest one up top, and then you keep going down, shows what you've done. If you want to change these, obviously what you would just go in and change them. To make it a little bit bigger, so I can see what I'm doing, that's fine. I'm going to do something big here because I can change it if I want to. Say I want to change a different font. That looks okay. Okay, so change the font, no problem. I could change the size, but if I change the size, it is going to throw things off a little bit. Sometimes changing the font can too as well. This is kind of a newer thing where they kind of give you these little bars that are supposed to show how much skills you have. I personally think they're goofy and would just erase it, put the notes there, but you're welcome to use it if you want to. I'll give you an example. It's kind of neat too. I like this because you've got the work experience on the one side, and then you've got education on the other, skills over here, and then any kind of certifications you have. Sort of where you put things like first aid certification, lifeguard certification, driver's license, all those kinds of things. Okay? And any of this can be changed, right? But it's just a nice little way to get things set up. Summary, you could put objective here instead. Like my objective is to obtain a exciting job in sales or whatever you want to put there. So, is there anything else? Things like that even can be taken off or changed. If I want to take it off, just put it in the garbage. If I wanted to change it, I could make it like a little bit, make it different. I don't want that, but I do. I could make it heavier, like stronger. I could change the color and make it like black. So anything on here is customizable. You do not in any way have to use the site. You can make a very plain one. I just found it was kind of a nice, simple way to start or get yourself started on a resume if you want to use that. So this is Canva. This is my version, but this is one thing you can try. You don't need to use a paid membership. I think you do need to create an account though if you want to save it. If for some reason you didn't want to save it, you could also do this and then take like a little screenshot of it and send me the screenshot. Keep in mind, I'm aware of this site, so obviously if you didn't change anything, I would know. And I'm aware of many of the other resume sites, so just be mindful that it's your own work and your own words, okay? Hopefully this is helpful and you guys can use this. Thank you so much.